Hi everyone, today I'm going to help you to install SSL certificate for free on your website. Browsers show all non-SSL websites as not secure. This means that if you are not using an SSL certificate on your website, then you will lose customers' trust. So for instance, if a website is like this, would you click it? I don't think you will. So let's quickly install a free SSL certificate. Before we proceed, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to keep me motivated to upload more content. I'm going to install it on my website techchess.com. As you can see here, it's showing same not secure error. I'm going to install it from ssl4free.com website. Once you open this website, you can create your free account here. Since I have already created it, I'm going to enter my domain name here. Click on free SSL certificate. It will take you to dashboard. Click on new certificate and enter your domain name again here. Click on next step. Click on next step again. Again on next step. Select the first option, which is free one. Click on next step. So here we are on domain verification page. Now we have to actually prove that we own our domain. As you can see, there are different ways to do it. I'm going to select the DNS option, which is the easiest one. We have to create CNAME record in our domain. Let me quickly show you how to do it. Now open your domain DNS settings. Click on create new CNAME record. Enter the host name and remove your domain name from end. And copy points to and paste it. Same goes for TTL. Now CNAME record is added. Click on next step and click on verify domain. It can take a couple of minutes while DNS is verified. It's done now. Now wait for a couple of minutes while our SSL certificate is being generated. It's done now. Select your server type from here. I'm installing on cPanel, so I'm going to select cPanel and click on download certificate. It will give 3 files. We have to upload them in our server. Click on cPanel admin and click on SSL/TLS and then click on generate, view, upload or delete SSL certificate. Now we have to upload the .crt file. So this is the file certificate.crt. Open it and click on upload. Now go back. Click on install. We have to upload the private key as well. In order to upload, we have to open the 3 downloaded files and you will find private key over there. Drag and drop the private key in Notepad and copy it. Paste it here and click on install certificate. Now the certificate is successfully installed. Go back to SSL provider's website and click on check installation, and it shows that SSL certificate is successfully installed. So we are at last step now. We need to redirect all traffic to load with our SSL link, which means we have to do redirection from HTTP to HTTPS. In order to do that, we need to go to file manager and go to public_html folder right here. Find this file .htaccess. Sometimes this file is hidden, so make sure you unhide it from here. And in case it's still not there, you can always create it from here. So I'm going to edit it and I'm going to paste this script in it. I have added the script in my website. You can go to description and click on the link. Make sure you replace my domain techjust.com with your domain, okay? This is very important. Now I'm going to refresh my website. It shows padlock before my domain name, which means SSL certificate is successfully installed and active. That's it guys, I hope the video was helpful. Please consider subscribing to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. And in case if you have any questions, put them down below. Thank you for watching.